Australia is home to 29 pigeon species, including over 20 native species and several introduced ones, all playing key roles in ecosystems. Diversity and classification. Australia is considered the global center of pigeon diversity, with 29 species of the Columbidae family, including 16 pigeons and 10 doves, plus a few introduced species like the rock pigeon, feral pigeon, and spotted turtle dove. Native pigeons are stout-bodied birds with short necks and slender bills adapted for eating seeds, fruits, and occasionally small invertebrates. They are found across forests, woodlands, grasslands, and urban areas. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Australian pigeons occupy diverse habitats, from dense rainforests to urban environments. Many species are frugivorous, feeding on fruits and seeds, which makes them important for seed dispersal and forest regeneration. They are strong flyers with rapid, clipped wing beats, and some species, like the top-knot pigeon, migrate seasonally in search of fruit. Crested pigeons are highly social, often seen in flocks, and produce a distinctive whistling sound with their wings when taking off. Ecological importance. Native pigeons contribute significantly to ecosystem health by dispersing seeds, maintaining plant diversity, and supporting food webs. Introduced species, while common in urban areas, can compete with native birds, but also adapt well to human-altered environments. Thank you for watching. Summary: Australian pigeons are a diverse and ecologically important group, ranging from urban adapted species like the crested and rock pigeon to rainforest specialists like the fruit doves. Their diets, behaviors, and habitats highlight their role in maintaining ecological balance and biodiversity across the continent. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting vlogs.